Ever yawn just because someone else did? Here's why you can't help it. It's your mirror neurons at work. These specialized brain cells fire when you see someone do something and make you want to do it too. Scientists call this the chameleon effect, and it's actually a social superpower. This contagious yawning develops around age 4, right when kids start to develop empathy and realize other people have different feelings. As it turns out, you're way more likely to catch a yawn from someone you care about than a stranger. And it's not just humans. Dogs even yawn more when they see their owners yawn rather than strangers. By unconsciously matching behaviors, we improve our social bonds without even saying a word. And that's why you might have